Welcome everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, I started to have this problem, this issue, was unable to verify your game session. Now, I found the solution for this problem. The solution that I have for you is method number 2. Now, I have another 2 ways I can think of to fix this problem. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and I hope this video is going to help you, going to fix your problem, because I know how annoying it is. It's very frustrating when you're just trying to play the game with your friends, but this arrow stands in your way. So the first method, we have to open Steam, go to Counter-Strike, and here what you have to do is to right click, go to Properties, and then go to Local Files and make sure you click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, if you already tried this and still didn't work, there's no results, I have another method for you. And something I'd like you to know is to make sure you let me know, guys, in the comment section if this video helped you. I really want to read your feedback. Now, let's jump to the next method. So this method fixed the problem for me. Copy this. I'm gonna leave it in the description of this video. And what you have to do is to go to press on your keyboard Windows logo key plus R. Okay, so Windows logo plus R. Please now paste this location. Click on OK. Yes. And now, and also make sure you exit, you close stream. So I'm sorry, close stream, and then you have to do this operation. And if still that didn't work and you still have this problem, there are many methods per se to fix this problem, at least to try. And I tried not all of them. I can't make that statement, but I try a lot of them. But what I think the only way really to fix this problem is to simply, instead of trying all the methods out there, a better solution is to simply uninstall Counter-Strike and then reinstall the game. So that's about it. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And